So you might be trying to fix your iPhone if for some reason a song that you're playing every single time just ends up pausing and you're trying to figure out why. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, and for the most part, whenever you're playing any sort of song on your iPhone, there is a big chance where sometimes things can glitch up and things can go ahead and go wrong. So the first thing you're going to want to do is if a song is glitching up and not playing or if it's pausing, is to make sure that you are not pausing the song yourself. Sometimes your screen may actually end up, turning on by itself, and you may end up having to actually like maybe you're accidentally clicking the pause button here. Just keep in mind that if you're clicking the pause button, it's going to pause the video or it's the song. So keep that in mind. Now, another thing, if you're watching a video, if you're on Snapchat and you're playing a song, or if you're on TikTok and you're playing a song, the song is going to stop in the background and it's going to focus in on what you're playing. So if you're even like going into your phone application or your photos application and you're watching a video, sometimes the song, depending on the application, will go ahead and stop. So in that case, all you're going to have to do is just go ahead and make sure that nothing else is being played in the background. And if your song is pausing, it's probably because there's another video or another interruption. So that's something else to keep in mind. On top of that, if you're getting phone calls or random FaceTime calls while you're playing songs, that can also pause the song that you're playing as well. So that's another pretty big thing to keep in mind. On top of that, iOS has a weird thing that if you go ahead and close out of the application that you're actually playing songs from, it will go ahead and stop the song altogether. So if I'm playing this song, right? So if you can see it on the top right, I'm playing this song. If I go and close out of this application like this, that song will no longer be there. So make sure you're not closing out of the applications. That's another big thing that can probably cause some issues for some people as well. So that's another big thing to keep in mind there too. If it's still causing issues and if it's still pausing songs, just go and make your way over to your iPhone, click on General right here, click on Software Update, and if there's a new official non-beta version of an iOS version, go ahead and install it, and that might end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.